How much can I make selling car parts on eBay? That's the question everybody has. I'm going to answer that question today, but if you already have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll make sure to answer every single question. I look at every comment. And today we're going to look at some real numbers and see exactly how much value there is in one car and what I'm expected to generate from this one car. So let's get started. All right, let's take a look at what we got. We're going to be looking at this 2022 Impreza. I filtered it. Here we have the car here. The 5219 is the last four of the VIN number, so that's how we know which vehicle we're working with. I finally got them all listed just the other day, and it took me about 2 weeks to fully list everything, so to disassemble, photograph, and list. Typically, it takes me about a week. I do it full time, but with random life events, it took me about 2 weeks. So if we look, we already started selling stuff on August 5th was the first one. This is from already an older Subaru. I had a 17, so we're working with the 22. And you can tell because on my SKU number, I have the last four of the VIN right there. So the first item we sold was a sun visor for 80 bucks. And then after tax is at 85. But we're just going to look at this first number. This includes the shipping costs, so I typically have free shipping anyway. But if it does have shipping, you're going to see that shipping cost here. So these are all the sold items, random stuff, nothing like crazy expensive or like it doesn't have to be like crazy big items, but this is kind of the stuff that sells. And I mean, we have an exhaust. This one item is from the older one as well. You can see the last four are different. But if we keep going, 20 bucks here, 60 bucks there, 35, 23. I think this was an offer or something like that. But I did calculate it all for you, so you don't have to do the math. It's about $713. So in the first 15 days, and that's not even fully listed. So usually I like to start following along closely on my cars once they're fully listed, just to see how quickly I profit, and usually that's within a week. So this next week I'll be able to see exactly how well this car is doing, and I expect to be profitable in the first month. So if you saw one of my other videos, I paid $1,800 for this 2022 Impreza with 28,000 miles, and so we're already at $713 profit. And then I sold the cats locally, the catalytic converters, to a company for $236. And I sold the scrap, like the shell, basically the body with nothing on it, for $100. And so that's already we're already over $1,000 in just sales in the first 2 weeks, and not even fully listed. So let's take a look at what we got. So other than those like 15 items that sold roughly, we have an additional 285, and so that's about 300 items. And look at this value. It's almost 20 grand, and it would be a little over 20 if we didn't have everything for sale and stuff wasn't selling as we were listing. And some people are going to say like, oh, okay, it's got the engine, the transmission, all these big ticket items that make this value high, but it's actually all the little stuff that add up to be a big number. So we do have some bigger items, like for example, these 3 doors and the transmission here, but really they're not crazy. They're all under $1,000. And we even have things like the carpet, for 300 bucks. We have the floor mats, and we keep going. We have more and more of that. And then you'll start to see the value of the items, other than those a couple $1,000s of high-ticket items, the value drops pretty quickly, and it just becomes, all these $30 items, $40 items. There's a steering rack for $300. That's another good one. A subframe for $200. But then you have $50, $50. The seats are maybe worth a little more money here. But then you have random stuff like the center cap off one of the wheels for $22. Spare tire, all these items add up quick. The headrest, $40. Just random stuff. We got the wheels for sale individually. Each axle, there's 4 axles, $100 a piece. They all add up to a big number. And that's why we sell everything completely individually. I sell each engine mount. We have just a lateral link, upper control arm, stuff like that, the lower control arm, engine cover, the spare tire tools, things like that. Even the brake calipers. We'll sell literally the tie rod ends for $40. And you might be thinking, like, who's going to pay these prices? Who's going to pay this kind of money for a used part? But this is the going rate on eBay. If you look at sold listings, sold comps, you will see this is the prices that things are selling for. And sometimes I will price competitively, but other times I will price lower. And you might be asking yourself, or like a common question would be, how soon can I expect to profit? Like I mentioned earlier, I'm expecting to profit after my first month. And usually I consider that my first month of being fully listed. But I think that even in the next 2 weeks, so that would be 2 weeks fully listed, 2 weeks still listing, I'm expecting to profit in that first month. And, another week after that, or 2 weeks, if it takes to profit a little longer, that's fine. I can wait. That's the business I'm in. And so if you're looking to get started on selling, that's kind of what you can expect. About 1 month after being fully listed, you'll be profitable. And if you're super slow, like say it takes you 3 months to list, you'll probably be profitable sooner, but I don't take that long, so I can't give you those exact numbers. I'm saying sooner than 3 months, not like sooner than a month, but it's not going to take, you don't have to be fully listed to start making profit. And it also depends on what you bought the car for. But you can see all these, like, 45, 29, $45, $23, 29, like $29.99. So basically $30. There's a lot of $30 items, even $15 items. Everything sells, everything gets listed. There are a few odds and ends that I just won't sell, just because it might not be something that just anybody ever needs. And there's a few of those things. When you first start, you'll be searching stuff up, but later on you kind of know. But even the license plate light, $20, like, somebody's gonna buy that. We can go back to, or like here, the door striker, $20. There's 4 of them, that's $80 in total, but selling them individually is the key. If we look at the orders off this, like, we could just take a look at what sells. So right off the bat, even just like these knock sensors, the engine was actually good, but I decided to part it out anyway, just because the timing cover had a chip, and it's not worth it for me to deal with that, and it's just easier to part out and move on. The water pump sold $35. Door actuator $60. Look at this, the power outlet socket, $20. Like I said, this tool set is off another one, but it's the same vehicle, technically. And I have one off this one. It just hasn't sold yet. The muffler, $100. The battery terminal, $30. Engine sensor here, the valve timing sensor, $60. The logo on the trunk, $24. Climate control. The fuse box under the hood, just the cover, not the fuse box, was $30. Another door actuator for $60. Door handle, $30 just about. Another power socket, like a 12-volt charger socket, basically. That's all it is. You can see, super simple. Literally sold $20. So I already sold 2 of these. That's $40 in power sockets. Speaker, trunk actuator, the hood prop clip, that holds the rod, $30, and the sun visor. There's 2 of these. They sell for $80 a piece. You can see, if you have the time and the patience, this is definitely a business that is profitable, and it's worth it. As you can see, like, we have $20,000 listed in parts off this one vehicle. And in the first year, I'm expecting to sell anywhere from like 50 to 70% of all the inventory. And if that number doesn't happen, which I don't think I've had that happen quite yet, but if it doesn't happen, you can run sales, markdown sales. You can do anything. You can run coupons. So if it doesn't sell, I'll literally just throw a 15% off. And after 2 years, I'll start doing 25% off. And then we'll see 3-4 years down the line, there's only going to be like 50 parts left. And who knows? We'll either mark them down 50% or we'll just keep selling them. I've been doing this for about 3 years. And in the 3 years, I'm still selling stuff off my first vehicles. So it's definitely worth it. Sometimes I don't believe the numbers myself, but the numbers are there, and it's all, like I keep saying, these little items and these little $30 there, $50 there, $20 there, they all add up to be, in this case, $20,000. And you got to consider, of course, there's seller costs, seller fees, shipping costs, there's overhead, but I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't profitable. And what I'm here to do is just try to help you, point you in the right direction, and just answer any questions you guys have. So if you have any video ideas of things you want to see, or if you have questions, drop them in the comments down below. And if you still are one of those people who are like, there is no way this guy is making money, well, subscribe, keep following along, and I'll prove you wrong. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.